I'm opening the bid number 20-17 911 phone system Airbus maintenance for fire EMO. We've received one bid from Motorola Solutions. Okay, the pricing from date of award through 5/31/21, $104,176.25, 6/1/21 to 5/31/22, $49,246.25, 6/1/22 to 5/31/23, $49,246.25. 6/1/23 to 5/31/24, $49,246.25. 6/1/24 to 5/31/25, $49,246.25, for a total for all years $301,161.25. The extension year 6/1/25 to 5/31/26, $49,246.25. And that's it. Thank you.